Hello everybody, this is my Lego vending machine. It's pretty simple. Okay, as you can see, it gives out Lego sodas, the mini ones, and it rolls out. And there's no lever, you have to use real coins for this coin slot. So no money, no soda. So you just simply take a normal 1 NT day, it's a Taiwanese dollar. Okay, you put it in there. And you get 1 free soda. Take another one. And you get another free soda. Try the third time. And you get the third free soda. And I try the last time. Sorry about that. And you get 1 more free soda. As you can see, I only take 4 coins today, and there's only 4 sodas I could give. So if you put 1 more coin in there, there won't be any more soda. This is how to take the money out. Okay? And this is how to refill the machine. Just wait for a sec. Okay, you put the sodas here, or you could just let this from here to roll down. That. There, and these are the mechanisms. You put a coin here. Soda's supposed to get out, sorry about that. And you get 1 soda. Try the second time. Get another soda. There you go. Try the third time. Get the third soda. And then the last time, there you get the 4th soda. See, you only take 4 sodas in a row, and I only take 4 coins, so there won't be any more. And this is the end of my show. Thank you for watching, and come here and subscribe.